Right, good morning. Dawn Forge here. So yesterday I ended up drinking way too much coffee. Cheers. And ended up doing the heat process on 4 knives. So went through the full heat treatment, cryogenic tempering, and actual tempering. So I started making them, or started cooking them I should say, on Friday night. They went through the cryogenics overnight, and then yesterday did the tempering. So they've got some marks on them, as you can see. They were all polished to 4000 grit beforehand. They're not quite so pretty now. The coloration is probably the chromium coming out of the blades. These went up to well over 1000 degrees and then tempered back down to about 177 degrees. So you get a little bit of colouring on them, but hopefully this will all just clean off without too much effort, and certainly now they'll be nice and hard. So these two are S35 CPM powder metallurgy steels, and these two ones are Nitro V. Handles for those ones are that one there, ebony. It's going to go into there. This one here is micarta. It's going to go into there. And then for these two, I have this one, which is work of progress, is going to go into this one here. And then I've got one more hiding away somewhere, which is going to go into this one here. So that's the next process, is to strip the decoloration off the blades and fit the handles. This one here, it's actually got a little glass bolster which I'm putting in, which would be quite nice. And these two ones have guards which go into them as well. So yeah, just that's what I'm up to at the moment, and I've still got this one here that I'm working on because the handle doesn't quite fit yet, which is that there. She just needs a little bit more work for it to be fully capable. And then I'm just cutting this bit of aluminium, just thinking I might go on the end of it. Yeah. Okay guys, well thank you. I've got to try and find the, here it is, the other handle. So this one will go on there. It's mostly finished, just needs a bit of a polish. Have a great day.